Hi viewers, welcome to GMATI Max. In this video, we are going to see exercise 1.3 fifth problem in functions. Okay, so the question is, fifth one is, let f of x equal to 2x plus 5 and if x not equal to 0, then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 by x. Okay, they ask you to find this value. So for that, they have given that f of x is 2x plus 5. So now we have to find what is the value of f of x plus 2 and f of 2. After finding the values of these two expressions, then we have to substitute in this place. Okay, so first we are going to find f of x plus 2. So in the place of x we have to substitute x plus 2. Okay, so here 2 into, because in between 2 and x multiplication is there, so 2 into, instead of x we have to substitute x plus 2. So here x plus 2. So 2 into x plus 2 plus 5. Okay, so here this 2 is in multiplication. So here it is common for these two element which is inside the bracket. So you have to multiply. Okay, 2 into x is 2x and then you have to multiply with the second term. 2 into plus 2 is plus 4. 2 2s are 4 and then here the fifth 5. We have to write the second term 5 as it is. So what is the value? 2x plus 4 plus 5 is 9. So now we have found that f of x plus 2 value is 2x plus 9. Then we have to find f of 2. So here f of 2 equal to, we have to substitute in this place. Here what is f of x? 2x plus 5. So in the place of x you have to substitute 2 here. So 2 into, in the place of x you have to substitute 2. So 2 into 2 plus 5. So here 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9. Okay, so now we have found that x plus f of x plus 2 and f of 2 values. So now what is the question they asked? F of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. Okay, what's the value? F of x plus 2 we have found as 2x plus 9 and this minus you have to here put here. F of 2 value is 9 here and then by this denominator x. Then plus 9 minus 9 will be cancelled, while you add becomes 0. Then the rest is 2x in numerator. Denominator we have x. Here in between x and 2 multiplication is there. Here in division 1 x is there, so we can cancel x. So what's the final value? 2. It is nothing but the value of the expression f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 by x is nothing but 2. Sixth question, a function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 3. Then they have given 4 divisions. See the first division, they ask you to find us f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. The value of f of 0 and f of 1 by 2. So here first we have to do f of x. You have to write what is f of x. It's given in the question. F of x is 2x minus 3. So now we have to find out what is f of 0. F of 0, see here in the place of x we have 0. So like the same you have to substitute in the place of x in the right side. Instead of x you have to substitute 0. Okay, so 2 into 0, you have to write the multiplication inside the bracket. Okay, minus 3. So here 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 3 is nothing but minus 3. So f of 0 is minus 3. And then f of 1, here f of 1 is there. So f of 1 equal to, in the place of f of x you have to substitute, in the place of x you have to substitute 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3, which is equal to 1 2 is 2, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Because yes, 2 is in plus and 3 is in minus, different sign. So we have to subtract the smaller one from the biggest one and put the biggest number sign. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is 1 and the biggest number is having minus sign, so it is minus 1. So now what they asked, f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. What's the value of this? So okay, f of 0 we have found as minus 3 plus, here it is plus, and f of 1 value is minus 1. Okay, divided by 2. So here we have to add two negative number. While you add two negative number, you have to add the numbers and put the common sign. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4 and common sign here both having minus sign, so it is minus, it's a common sign. So minus 3 and minus 1, while you add minus 4 by 2. Here it is easy to cancel. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So our value is minus 2. Therefore the expression f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2 equal to minus 2. See the second division. Find x such that f of x equal to 0. If f of x equal to 0, what is the value of x? Okay, so f of x value is given here. 2x, it is nothing but 2x minus 3. So first you have to write f of x equal to 0 implies what is f of x value? 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0. If this expression is 0, what is the value of x? That is the question. So you have to find out the value of x. So x term you have to write in the left hand side, and the rest of the term you have to transpose to the other side. So here minus 3 is there, so you have to transpose it to the right side, it becomes plus 3. Okay, so now x equal to here 3. This 2 is in multiplication with the x. So if you transpose this 2 to the other side, right side, it becomes division. So x is nothing but 3 by 2. So if f of x is equal to 0, then the value of x should be 3 by 2. Okay, this is the second division. It is finished. The third one is find x such that f of x equal to x. If f of x equal to x, what's the value of x? So here f of x equal to x. Given one is f of x equal to x. Implies what is f of x is given in the question? 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 equal to x. So you have to transpose, you have to write the x terms together in the same side, in one side. So here 2x, one x is in right side, you have to transpose it to the left side, so it becomes minus x equal to one number minus 3 is in left side, so you have to transpose to the other side, so it becomes plus 3 here. So now here 2x minus x. In this minus x, what is the coefficient? There is no number, means the coefficient is 1. Okay, so here it is the same variable term, so you can add or subtract according to the operation used here. So here the operation is minus, so you have to subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1x is nothing but x. So x equal to 3. 2x minus x is x equal to 3. So if f of x equal to x, the value of x is 3. Then see the fourth division. Find x such that f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. So f of x is given, and f of 1 minus x we don't know the value, so we have to find out first f of 1 minus x. So f of 1 minus x equal to, see here f of x is this one. So in the place of x we have 1 minus x. So like the same we have to substitute instead of x in the right side 1 minus x. So 2 into, in the place of x we have to write 1 minus x. Then here minus 3. So here 2 is in outside, it is in common for these two elements which is inside the bracket, so you have to multiply it. 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into minus x is minus 2x and minus 3. So here minus 2x, first you have to write x term, and then see that number 2 minus 3. Here 2, it is a constant terms, 2, here minus 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So we have found the value of f of 1 minus x is nothing but minus 2x minus 1. Okay, so what is given in the question? If f of x equal to f of 1 minus x, what is the value of x? So what is f of x is given in the question? 2x minus 3. Then what we have found the value of f of 1 minus x? This is this one. What is that? Minus 2x and minus 1. So now we have to write x terms together. Left side 2 plus 2x is there, right side minus 2x. You have to transpose this minus 2x to your left side. So while you transpose, it becomes plus, so plus 2x. And then here this minus 1 is in right side, so you write as it is. Then rest of the term in left side minus 3 is there. So you have to transpose to the right side, becomes plus. Okay, so now 2x plus 2x is 4x. And minus 1 plus 3 is nothing but 2. Okay, so x equal to 2, in between multiplication, while you transpose, it becomes division. Okay, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, so the value of x is 1 by 2. See the seventh question. An open box is to be made. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material. So this is a square, and then 24 centimeter on a side. So this square material length of the side is 24 centimeter. Okay, by cutting equal corners, by cutting equal squares from the corners. So you have to cut the squares, it should be equal so equal squares you have to cut from these four corners. So we don't know about the side of the square in the corner, so we have to take that the cutting square is the side of the cutting square is x. Okay, so this all these four sides are x, here also, so these four corners, the equal squares, you have to cut the equal squares in the square piece material. Okay, after we cut the square piece material, after you cut the four equal squares from this square piece material, we can have like this. See, we can have like this a open box, like this a open box. So what should be the length, what should be the length and breadth of this? So see here, up to this fully 24 centimeter. Here we cut one square, here also we cut one square, so that length of the side is x, here also length of the side is x. Okay, so if you subtract this much, so after cutting this, it becomes like this one. So it should be the length of the open box, length of the open box. Okay, so what should be the length of the open box? The whole length minus this x and minus this x. So 24 minus x and minus x, it becomes 24 minus 2x. Like the same here, breadth. If you take the breadth, see here, after you cutting these two square, it becomes like this. It becomes like this, and then here if you have in the open box, the breadth of the side is like this. So here you have to subtract this x and x from this, the total whole square piece material 24. So you have to subtract 24, this x minus x, and here we have cut it already, we have cut already. So 24 minus x minus x is minus 2x. So this is the breadth. And what should be the height of this open box? See here, height of the open box is nothing but the what we have cut the length of the side of the cutting square. Okay, it is nothing but x. Okay, so this one is x. So this x should be the height of the open box. Height of the open box is x. Okay, okay. So now we have to find out. Then what they asked the question, express the volume V, volume of this open box. Okay, they asked to find the volume of this open box, and you have to express the volume of V, volume of this open box in the term of x, in the function of x. Okay, so already we have known that what is the breadth, 24 minus 2x, what is the length, it is also 24 minus 2x, and what is the height of the open box is x. Okay, so now we have to write length of the cuboid. If after cutting we will have first we have a square piece material, then after cutting the equal squares we have a cuboid. Okay, so that length of the cuboid, L is equal to, what is that, 24 minus 2x, and length of, breadth of cuboid B, the same 24 minus 2x, length here breadth, and height of cuboid, height equal to x, open box, it is the height of the open box is x. Okay, and then here volume of the box, volume of the box is nothing but volume of the cuboid. This is the volume of the box, this is the box. Okay, if you find the volume of the box, this volume is nothing but a cuboid. Okay, this volume is, after cutting this equal squares on the corner, we can have a cuboid. Okay, so it is nothing but the volume of this box is nothing but volume of cuboid. So what's the formula of volume of cuboid? LBH. Volume of box we can take, it is V, volume, LBH. Okay, so what is that LBH? What is L here? 24 minus 2x into B is 24 minus 2x into x here. Okay, so here it is of the form A minus B into A minus B. So A minus B into A minus B the whole square. So this one square into x. It is in multiplication. Okay, so what is that A minus B the whole square? Expansion, A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Now we have to write, we have to expand this one using this expansion. Okay, this a square. So here in the place of a we have 24 and in the place of b we have 2x. So 24 square, and then here this one is identity, algebraic identity. Okay, so you have to use this. So minus 2 into, in the place of a we have 24, place of b we have 2x. You have to put inside the bracket because it is in multiplication, and then plus b square term, b is 2x, so 2x the whole square. So we have expressed in the using this form of first 24 minus 2x the whole square is this one, then into x, this is into x. Okay, so now you have to find out the value. 24 square is 576, then minus 24s are 48, 48 2s are 96x, then plus the square is for 2 as well as x, so 2 square x square, 2 square is 4, 4x square, multiplication by x. So you have to multiply everything by x. So you have to multiply each and every term which is inside the bracket by x. Okay, so 57x into x minus 96x into x is x square plus 4x square into x is x cube. So if you write it in standard form, you can write 4x cube minus 96x square plus 576x. It is nothing but v, that is volume of x, that is volume, it is in the term of x, so we can write it is v of x. Okay, this only they have asked. They asked us to write the volume of the box as the function of x, so we have written the volume is in the function of x. Okay, in this video we have seen 5th and 6th and 7th problem in the exercise 1.3. I hope you all understood. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.